Hi, hi guys, it's me, Lumpy, and welcome back to playing. What's that game called? Lumpy. It's called Draw Stickman Epic 2. Oh, you joining, Giggles? Yeah. Oh, hello, Giggles. Okay, it's me, Sniffles. It's me, Lumpy, and I'm Giggles. We're gonna play Draw Stickman Epic 2, Chapter 5. So we did the Candace play Draw Stickman Epic 2. On number to Chapter 3. Yeah. Snake leg. Something in the snake eat the page. Oh my god. Bad snake. Bad snake. Really, Lumpy? What? Whatever. I thought it's doing a pickaxe, but I had to use diamond pickaxe. Looks so big. We were drawing a new one. Well then, I thought it says something. Nothing to worry about. Pickaxe. Nothing very much to do. I called it. While you're bad at drawing, well then, I don't know. Green. Much better. What? Okay, it's going to sleep and then in the night, and there's something that's going on, and there's something what's going on. The snake. Oh yeah, I can't go past the water. What's that? Oh, we have to get the egg crayons. Let's go. You want feathers? What's this do? What? I have no idea what's going on. Is that color buddies? Right over there. Yes. Oh, we got it. Yeah, we got it. Okay. Oh, on the nest. Bing, bing, bingo, bing, 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 bing. Lovely, stop! Lovely, you may be bad. Well then. Oh! That was the biggest ever. Okay, we have to get down here the cave. Okay, let's do it. Whoa! The snake? He's hungry. You want some? Here you go. No! Bruh, we have to do these. Please. Okay, we have to stand there. Okay, this is glitchy bird. I'm gonna show us this. Let's go. You know what? We're gonna play us selfie. Why does it mean you keep your nose on at the pickaxe? I don't know. Draw the wing. Wait. Oops. Technology. Okay. We just block it by the ink. Yeah, purple ink. Okay, now get some rain. Wait. I know it's a bad idea, right? Sure. Let's go. We the first puzzle ever seen. Let's go. Okay, now let's go. Thank you, mister. I can walk through? Cool. Whoa! Ah! Help! Whoa! Crab. Go. Did you defeat them? You did it! What are those bushes? I want to cut them. Lumpy! What? Don't you dare! I will. Get away, sucker! Wait, Lumpy, that's mine! Cut it! Stop! Okay, here. Don't you dare! Whoa! 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 Uh-oh. You killed them. Whoa! What was that? What the? Is that a huge snake? I hope it is. Oh my god! Whoa! Whoa! He can break the rocks! Here, baby! Ah! Drop some trees! I'm trying to get a color body. Game over for me. Oh, color bodies! Run! I'm trying. Now it seems slowly. Oh no! He's gonna come through! Run! Grow this! Whoa! Yes! We got the page! Did you guys get Oh my god! Okay, to the chapter 6. Frog bark. Who's that? Frog bark. Bam, bam. Okay, let's go. Whoa! Whoa, snakes! Not you again. Crap. Where's the nest? There's feather in there. Whoa, that was so close. Is that the frozen crayons? We had to get it. That's a good idea, yeah. Oh, you again. What do you want? Oh. That makes sense. Well then, hopefully I can help you. Why am I looking alright? I don't know. Where are they going? They're going to the mountain. Where the snake? Yay, I got the snow! Can I froze them? Wait. The water froze them. Oh, wait. There's a heart crystal. It is! Let's go! How you feeling, okay, Giggles? I was trying to drink it. I guess I cover my nipples. That sounds good. Yeah. I'm cold. Now I'm feeling better. Yay. Can I froze a frog when it's on the... Yes, I can. Oh, snake. I come in to attack you. Oh, a puzzle. Thanks. Let's raise up. Lumpy, what the hell? Sorry. I just said that, bruh. Let's go. Oh, I can't. Hello. Why so sad? I don't know. He just trapped. Or the world is the mess. You guess. Oh my god, I hate this place. I want to breathe forever. Hi guys, what's going on? Our poor town. This is the pit. Poor town. Don't worry, we're gonna rescue this town. Don't be sad. How's it knocked that over? I don't know. Okay, we got the other color bodies. Dun, 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 dun. We did it! Okay, let's go. Poor town. There's color body in there. Wait, really? Yeah. Just you watch. There he is! Oh, color bodies. I'm gonna rescue. Oh, I see the eyes are big. How you even think of that? I don't know. Oh, the frog! Rip fuck. Is that alligator's family? Yeah. Okay, I know the kid is right over there. Oh. He got trapped. Yeah. How do you know? I played this game before. Oh. How long is it? February 11? From the today's. Yesterday. There was 2 weeks yesterday's. I know. They're frozen! Now they're frozen. Dun 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 dun. I like the beautiful. Whoa! I like the beautiful trees. Whoa! The tree saved. Yeah. Whoa! Come again. Yoing. Okay. I need to get out. You can't just leave. You can't. How you even think of that, Giggles? I don't know. Whoa! Not you again. I know it doesn't sound like that. I know. You guess you know. How you even think? Woo! Not you again. Rip. Go! I missed. Oh, did I? Rip. Well. No! No! We're just gonna try some more. Whoa. I broke it. Broke his head. Rip. Yeah. Let's go, let's go. This is it before his end. Yeah. Oh no, the frogs! Throw me the crystal for that! Watch out! Go! Come to get me! Whoa! What the? Oh god! Oh god, 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 god! Run, help! Nobody see it. Ouch! I did it! Okay. Oh, yeah, we did it. So we beat the snake and we beat the big frog. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Say bye to the video. Bye, bye, bye. And don't forget, peace out. We coming soon.